Alright, customer's got a complaint on the Gen 5 Viper. He's got some kind of squeaky noise happening when he hits bumps. So we're gonna try to figure it out. We're gonna take a look at it and look at all the cross bolts here on the X-brace. Make sure that's all nice and snug because he had it painted to match his stripes at one point. He also does have some aftermarket BC coilovers. That's another deal that I'm going to take a look at that I'd be concerned about. I've heard of issues with those as well. Take a look at the hood because it is making a squeaky noise when it is closed. So we'll be checking it out, guys, and seeing what we're messing here with. So hopefully we find a problem, and I'll definitely be making a video of what